Hi, in this video I want to show you how to add something to favorites or remove in Safari on iPhone. First thing first, open Safari on your phone and here enter any website's name which you want to add to favorites. For example, I'm going to use this one. And now, to be able to pin it and add to favorites, we need to tap on a share icon on the bottom, scroll a bit down, and choose this option, Add to Favorites. Now, on the top, you can rename it, so to easily find this highlighted tab, and make sure that the website is correct here. Then tap Save, and now it will be highlighted as your favorite tab. To check this, firstly, you can tap on this tabs icon to open list view, tap on plus to add new tab, and then on the top you should see section with favorites in which you need to find your new website added to favorites. And as you can see, it is here. We can also edit those websites by tapping Edit. Here, make sure that favorites are included in the start page. And you can also reorder it by dragging the lines and place it to the bottom, for example, and it will look like this. Now in the start page, you can also tap on search bar and start entering the name of the website, and on the top you should see this favorite website in suggested options. So you can immediately tap it and open this website. And also you can tap on plus again, tap on book icon, here tap on book icon as well, and you'll see this list of favorites. So you can click on Edit, and you can reorder your favorite websites, or you can remove something from the list by tapping on minus and tap and delete. Then don't forget to tap done to confirm changes, and once more, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.